everyone. In this video, I am going to tell you how to fill an OMR sheet for SilverZone Olympiad paper for any subject. For this, we need one question paper of Olympiad, and this is the question paper of Olympiad for class 2, and this is the OMR sheet. I am going to tell you this how to fill this sheet because sometimes parents says that the paper of our kid has not been checked because the result has not been displayed on the website. Why is it so? Do you know? Because the kids do not know how to fill the OMR sheet properly, correctly. So in this video, I am going to show you the same. Kindly watch the video properly. This is the question paper of SilverZone for class 2, and for test paper type is BB type. Let's see, this is the subject International Informatics Olympiad for year 2025-26. Coming to the OMR sheet now. Let me note you down that first of all, for class 1 and 2, school, participants name, class, section, serial number, subject and school code will always be written in the OMR sheet. Kids do not have to write in this blanks because it is already printed. Kids do not need to write anything. Kids just have to do only 2 to 3 things. Number 1 is test paper type. As I have shown you this paper, question paper, test paper type is BB. The kids have to fill this BB in the OMR sheet. Here, for example, I am writing B and B because I am doing this OMR sheet for this paper of test paper type BB. Along with this, the kid have to fill the BB circles properly using pencil. The circles should be filled properly, correct. This B. After that, this column need not to be filled by the student. This has to be filled by the teacher only. And from this side, the student need not to fill this column because this has to be filled by the teacher only, as it is written to be marked by the teacher. Now coming to this part. There are total 25 questions given. The question numbers will be given as per the question paper. If there will be 30 questions, then there can be 30 or 35. That can be depending on the question paper. How many questions are there? OMR sheet will be showing the same number of questions. After this, coming to the question number 1. For the paper, this is question number 1. Which key on the keyboard removes the letter to the left of where you are typing? This is the question, and it has total 4 options A, B, C and D. For example, if we have C as the correct answer for question number 1, now student has marked C here. In the same OMR sheet, for question number 1, there are 4 same options A, B, C and D. As I have marked C as the answer in my question paper, I have to mark the same in my OMR sheet because this OMR sheet will be sent to the Olympiad organizations for checking. So I am marking C. Question number 1, option C. This one we have to fill it with the pencil. Completely circle will be filled. In each question, only one circle option will be filled, either A or B or C or D. Kids do this mistake that they fill all the circles. They do not know how to fill which circle. They do not know which circle is to be filled. Only the answer which is to be marked as the answer, that option will be filled. Now, similarly, if in question 2, as I have marked answer B, so answer B will be there in option B also. In question number 2, answer B is there. We have to fill option B. Complete circle is to be filled. What kids do mistake here also, that they fill question number 2, 3, 4 here only. They fill all the circles, and that is the biggest mistake. They leave some questions and they mark some answers only. So they do not get the proper answers. They don't get the proper result. Even after the preparing of so much, they do not know how to fill the Olympiad OMR sheets. Now, after filling this question number 1 to 25, remember this thing I am telling again and again, only one circle is to be filled for every question for class 1 and 2 because there are not many choice questions, only one answer is there for every question. Now, in this blocks, there is date of examination. On whichever date the paper is being conducted in the school, it would be written here. For example, if I am giving exam of Olympiad on date 12 January 2025, so I will fill 1 2. January stands for 01 and 2025 2025. After that, we have to fill the participants class, as the child is reading in class 1 or class 2. As I am giving for question paper is of class 2, so I am filling class 2. Or the child can also fill the Roman number. That is his her own choice, no problem. That is his or own choice, no problem. Either the Roman numbers can be filled or the mathematical numbers can be filled. After this, participants name column is there. Participants name, the kids have to write, the children have to write their own name here, as the name has been written, and as the same name as the participant's name here would be written, here would be typed, and the same name will be written over here. Now, signature of the invigilator will not be done by the child. This will be done by the school itself. The school teacher will do this thing. This is how the paper is to be done in the OMR sheet. I am telling again, this is to be filled by the child. BB, date, participant's name, participant's class, and the one answer for each and every question. One option is to be filled by the children or participant, you can say. Thank you everyone. For any queries, you can comment in the comment section. Thank you.